Hey, what's up, y'all? Today I'm going to do a product review on this Temu product. It is called a Vintage T9. Apparently on the website, I think it's called the Golden Dragon Trimmer. This is what it looks like when it arrives. And here's a better view of the box. I guess it passed emissions. Took about 2 weeks to get here, not even. 10 days maybe. I'm trying not to break the box. There we go. A little QC thing there. Vintage T9. We'll just stick that bad boy right there. Alright, let's see what we got here. Comes in a little protective screen there. Here's your guards, to clean it with, and the charger. Let's see how many guards it come with. Kind of limited. Kind of upset about that. Okay, so it says on the bottom 1.5 millimeter, 3 millimeter, 2 millimeter, and 4 millimeter. So I mean, not a lot off the get-go. Just the sizes is lacking here, my boy. Let's see here. It's definitely plastic. It feels kind of cheap, but I mean, what do you expect? Has a little LED. Interesting to see how long this thing lasts. I guess I got some hair on my hand here. As you can see, it just cuts right through that. So I mean, it's gonna trim your body hair pretty good. I probably use it for my beard. I do fade my own hair. So I'm pretty sure it'll do the job. I mean, for the price, I'd recommend it. I mean, I probably just use it for my beard. I already got clippers for my hair. I mean, I might help for like a zero fade or something, but yeah, this is what you get on Temu for a cheap but kind of cool looking trimmer there. This helped you out. Please like and subscribe.